Have you ever wondered how many Novo accounts you can have? In this video, we're going to answer that question and explore the different types of Novo accounts that are available. Novo is a neobank that offers a variety of financial products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and business banking. Novo is a great option for people who are looking for a modern, convenient, and affordable banking experience. So, how many Novo accounts can you have? The answer is, it depends. There are two main factors that will determine how many Novo accounts you can have. Your account type. There are two types of Novo accounts, personal and business. You can have up to 2 personal accounts and up to 5 business accounts. Your account status. If you have a personal account, you can only have 1 active account at a time. However, you can have up to 2 inactive accounts. If you have a business account, you can have up to 5 active accounts at a time. In addition to the above, there are a few other things to keep in mind when considering how many Novo accounts you should have. Your needs. How many accounts do you need to manage your finances? If you have a lot of different financial goals, or if you need to keep your finances separate for different purposes, you may want to have multiple accounts. Your fees. Novo charges a monthly fee for each account. If you have multiple accounts, you will need to pay a monthly fee for each account. Your time. Managing multiple accounts can take time and effort. If you don't have a lot of time to manage your finances, you may want to consider having fewer accounts. Here are some additional tips for deciding how many Novo accounts to have. Consider your goals. What are your financial goals? If you want to save money for a down payment on a house, you may want to have a separate savings account. If you want to track your business expenses, you may want to have a separate business account. Think about your lifestyle. How do you like to manage your finances? If you prefer to keep your finances simple, you may want to have fewer accounts. If you like to have more control over your finances, you may want to have more accounts. Experiment. You can always start with 1 account and add more accounts later if you need them. The number of Novo accounts you can have depends on your account type, your account status, and your needs. There are no right or wrong answers, so it's important to choose the number of accounts that works best for you. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions about Novo accounts, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. I would also love to hear your thoughts on how many Novo accounts you have. Please leave a comment below and let me know. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.